Sa Jolly Town, tara, dito walang tigil ang saya. The Jolly Friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jollibee's wish came true one day when a shooting star came his way. Into the well it fell, and then there appeared four new friends.
Oh no! Ang high-tech na kaibigan!
Happy here to bring some cheer.
Go Happy!
Papa Sports ang paborito ko, yeah. I'm twirly, sing and dance with me.
And meet the best friend, Jollibee.
Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly friends, hip hip hooray. Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly friends, hip hip hooray.
Have you seen a world as fun and colorful? A world with lots of rainbows. Fountain of many flavors. And goodies all around. Best of all, a world of adventures, stories, and many friends and neighbors. Dito, masarap tumira. Ito ang Jolly Town. Buksan ang mga mata. Nakakita ka na ba ng mundong makulay at masaya tulad ng Jolly Town? Taste the fountain of many flavors.
Touch the rainbow's magic colors.
They never fade but stay forever. Only in Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Make a wish in the wishing well.
There are amazing stories to tell.
And no other place can parallel the joy of Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Dreams come true.
Jolly Town,
No one stays blue.
Jolly Town.
I'll see you at Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place. Jolly Town is the happiest place to be. The sky is like my playground, and the fluffy clouds are my newfound friends. The end. Thank you, Billy. It's so fun to imagine. Just as fun as living in a colorful place like Jolly Town.
Off they went into the horizon.
Very good story.
And just as fun as having friends, I want to share that great story with others. Mamaya na lang ulit tayo magkwentuhan, ha?
Okay, Karina.
I'll be right back. See you later, Billy.
See you, Karina. Ang saya talaga magbasa. Matutulog muna ako habang naglalaro si Karina. Mamaya, may storytelling ulit kami.
That was very good reading. Bravo! Huh?
Pwede ba ako sumali sa inyo?
Sure, Lika. Upo ka dito. Ayan.
Once upon a time.
Mm-hmm.
What's happening? I can't stop shaking. What's going on? What happened to all the colors? Who are you?
I have a surprise for everyone.
Wow! Hey, I like surprises.
Tell us.
Who wants to come with me to the happiest place in town?
We're ready.
Oh.
Let's go. I'm coming.
Right on!
Don't leave me.
That's great, Sama ko! But first, let's get our groove together. Let's sing and dance through the happiest place. Ready?
Yes!
Follow me.
Wow! Let's go.
Yeah.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Step 1. Let's call the step Rejoice. Hands towards the sky. Cross your arms. Show your love by pointing to your friends.
Jollytown is the place for me.
Step 2. Let's do the S step. Follow me. S left. S right. Put on a smile.
We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Step 3. Be alert now for our next step. This is going to be fast. Slide your right arm upwards. Together with your right foot, bend and smile. Step 4. Move to your side. Point your right foot and make a half moon action. Step 5. Point to the ground, then the sky. Slide to the left, then point to your friends.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Kids, remember the words. Rejoice. S step. Be alert. Half moon and point move so you can groove to the #1 dance craze in town. Jollytown is the happiest place to be. Now let's get going. Yoo-hoo!
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee. Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
You've all done a great job dancing to the music.
Congratulations, Jolly friends.
Really good.
Dancing so cool. Yes.
Remember, you're all talented and special to us. So we'll be seeing one another for more exciting dance moves.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
See you soon. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee. Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Jollytown. Ha? Ano yun?
Yeah, that's right.
How do you do it again?
Uh-huh. Good
Like-
job.
Hey.
Yay!
You guys are pretty good.
And cut. Yay!
Yay!
Good job, guys.
Way to go. Good work. Oh. Oh.
Oh, bakit namatay yung ilaw? Popo, are you playing a trick on us?
Oh, me? No, I'm not. Not this time.
Okay, lights on, please.
Oh,
Huh? Hey, what happened?
strange.
Kasama ba yun sa script? I don't think so. Popo, stop playing with the lights and sounds.
I told you it wasn't me.
Huh? Huh? Anong nangyayari? Hey, what's going on?
See? I told you it wasn't me. I wouldn't know how to do that.
Something weird is going on. Huh? Look at my arm! My face!
Oh.
We lost our colors. First the lights, then the music and stage. Oh
Now us. Something strange is definitely happening in Jollytown.
no! Alam na kaya ito ni Jollibee? What's that?
Ayun.
Yikes! What was that?
Oh.
I don't know, but I'm scared. There. I wonder what's going on. I'm scared too.
Come on, everyone. Let's stay close together. But we
Yeah.
have to find a way to tell Jollibee. Tara, dun tayo.
Come on, guys. Okay, here.
Come on.
That was
Dahan-dahan na.
weird. Uh-huh.
That would be a splendid exchange.
Wow.
The superb cow in return for my horse.
And then?
The dragon really enjoyed watching the clouds and finding shapes in the sky.
Oh, that's nice.
What happened? I wasn't finished yet.
Mukhang umuulan ha. Okay, kids. I think we need to go inside. Baka magkasakit tayo.
Sayang naman. Hindi pa ako tapos, but okay. We can continue our storytelling tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
What was that? Did you see that?
What?
I thought I felt something too. Huh? Oh,
Look! What's happening? Look!
Oh no! The trees! The grass!
Mukhang hindi ulan ito.
Ngayon lang nangyari to sa Jollytown.
Hindi din ito nangyayari sa imagination ko.
This is really strange. We have to find out what's going on. Oh no! Look!
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
What happened?
Tete, I'm worried.
So am I, Karina. We've never lost the colors of Jollytown. Come here, guys. Oh. What was that?
Teka, parang nakita ko na yun eh. Saan ko nga ba nakita yun?
Come on, kids. We have to stay close to one another.
I wonder if the other Jolly friends are okay.
You're right. We should find them. Come on. Let's go to Jollibee's house. Be careful, guys. Careful.
Huh? That wasn't supposed to happen, was it? Huh? Hey! Who turned the lights off? Popo! Are you playing a joke again? Huh? Strange. What? Whoa. How did that happen? Could it be a strange chemical reaction? Popo? Ikaw ba yan? Linuloko mo lang ako eh. Popo. What's happening? This has never happened in my lab before. Oh no! I must have done something terribly wrong. I have to warn the others. Ayan, Lala. Galingan mo mag-color, ha? Yan. Ikaw din. Yan. Ilagay mo yung red. Oh,
Huh? Hey, what happened to the sunshine?
it's okay. Maybe there's just a lot of rain clouds today.
Okay. At least di masyado mainit.
Wait a minute. That's no ordinary cloud.
Huh? Look! Everything's turning gray.
How can that be?
Look, the pins are losing their colors.
Oh no. There's something very strange going on.
Look, Johnny.
Oh no! Look at you. You're turning gray. Oh, even me. Even I am losing my colors. Come closer, kids. Whoa!
Look! Look at the painting.
Oh. Oh, wow. What happened? First the colors,
From a rainbow to dark gray.
then our feelings.
A while ago, we were so happy. But now, we're sad. I'm not sad. I'm really scared.
Come, huddle close, kids. We have to stick together and get through this.
Hey, look! It's Yum!
Oh, yeah. Yum, we're so glad to see you. Oh, no. The experiment affected you, too. I'm sorry. Huh? What experiment?
Jollibee!
no.
Yum! Look at
You
us!
too? Look, Twirly. Jollibee, Yum, and the kids are black and white, too.
Oh, no. Everyone has lost their colors. This is no experiment.
Hey, here comes Hetty.
Not her too. Hey guys, imagination lang ba natin ito? Is this a bad dream? Oh, I hope it's just a bad dream.
I hope so, too.
Anong nangyayari? Jollibee, bakit nawala ang kulay natin?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Pero kailangan natin malaman kung paano maibalik ang kulay at saya sa Jolly Town.
Yeah.
Did you see a black cloud or smoke before you lost your colors?
Yes, natakot nga kami eh. We did too. Akala namin uulan lang.
Wait a minute. I also saw the smoke. I saw it from my window, so it really wasn't my experiment.
No, I don't think so, Yum. Okay, so it seems that the smoke had something to do with this. It took all the colors of Jolly Town.
Maybe this is a bad dream.
Somebody pinch me. Nananaginip ba ako?
We're not dreaming, and we have to get to work. Listen, everyone. We have to help each other figure out this mystery.
Yeah, anything for Jolly Town.
But how?
First things first, guys. What could that black cloud be?
Parang nakakita na ako ng ganun dati eh.
Huh? Really?
Where?
Ng ganun dati eh.
What's going on?
At last, nabago ko ng Jolly Town.
Who's there?
Now there will no longer be laughter and color in Jolly Town. You will be sad and gloomy forever, like me.
Who are you? What are you doing to all the colors?
Remember me, Billy?
Ikaw ang nasa kwento ko na ang prinsesa at ang dragon. Ikaw ang engkantada ng kaharian ng sunrisa.
Tama. Finally, it feels so good to be free.
Paano ka nabuhay? Ito ba?
Dahil dito sa Sunrisa, pag-ibig, pagkakaibigan, kabutihan ang naghahari.
I disappeared, but my anger did not. Inis na inis ako. Wala na akong naririnig sa karian ng Sunrisa, kundi awitan at tawanan. If that wasn't bad enough, I could also hear the songs and laughter from Jollytown. I can't stand it.
Then Jollytown is not the place for you. Why are you here?
Sobrang sakit na ng aking tinga. Gusto ko na wala nang ngingiti o tatawa dito. Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Nag-ipon ako ng lakas para baguhin ang buong Jollytown.
Baguhin ang Jollytown? What do you mean? Mawawala ang kulay ng Jollytown. I wish Jollibee and his friends could stop her.
I think I remember. I think I know who's...
Whoa!
What was that?
I wish I had my telescope so I could see.
I know how to find out. Billy can help.
Oh, wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Wait for me.
Make sure she's safe, Hetty. Oh, there's that smoke again. I'm gonna follow it and figure this out.
Tama si Jollibee. Okay, come on, kids. Stay
Don't
together.
worry, guys.
Come on.
Figure it out together. Come on, come on.
Come here, come
Let's go. Dahan-dahan lang.
Now, where did the black smoke go? Oh, no. Look at the fountain. Look at the trees. Everything is gray. Ano kayang nangyari dito? We have to find a way to bring Collar back to Jollytown. Ang Jollytown ay makulay. Masayahin. Nasaan na ang lunti ang damo at dagat na bughaw? Nasaan na ang rainbow na makulay at dilaw na araw? Ibalik muli ang mga ngiti, ibalik muli ang kulay ng Jollytown. Huh? Oh. Parang may liwanag dun ah. Oo nga, no? May ilaw nga dun. I think I know where it's coming from.
Pwede niyo po kami tulungan ibalik ang kulay at kasiyahan ng Jollytown?
Yes, we need your help. Can you help us? Can you wish with all your hearts to bring back the colors of Jollytown next week? Sana bumalik ang kulay at saya sa Jollytown. Oh, lahat tayo! Sana bumalik ang kulay at saya sa Jollytown. What happened?
Oh, bakit namatay yung ilaw?
That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
Look at the painting! A while ago, we were so happy. Now, we're sad. Anong nangyayari? Jollibee, bakit nawala ang kulay natin?
So it seems that the smoke had something to do with this. It took all the colors of Jollytown.
Guys, what could that black cloud be?
At last, na bago ko ng Jollytown.
I think I remember.
Ikaw ang engkantada ng kaharian ng Sonrisa.
Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Now, where did the black smoke go? Oh, no. Everything is gray. Huh? Oh, parang may liwanag dun ah. Oo nga, no? May ilaw nga dun. I think I know where it's coming from. Oh, the magic well, of course. I'm so happy to see your colors. Come on, guys.
Oh, there's still some color in it.
This is a good sign.
Interesting.
Hey. What do you want from Jollytown? Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Gusto ko na walang ngingiti o tatawa sa Jollytown.
Hey.
No way.
But why would anyone want to do that to Jollytown?
Who would do such a thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I really wish I had my mist analyzer.
Hetty, Karina, you're back.
Siya ang engkantada ng Sonrisa.
She's the one who turned Jollytown black and white and sad.
Billy, please tell us what you know.
Siya yung masungit na engkantada. Wala siyang kaibigan at parating nakasimangot at galit.
Oh, ang engkantada. How could I forget?
Kahit yung alaga niyang dragon, ayaw sa kanya, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Bakit ba siya galit sa kasiyahan?
Siguro kailangan lang niya ng kaibigan.
Maybe she just needs to learn how to sing and dance like we all do.
Yeah.
I wish. Sana bumalik ang saya at kulay ng Jollytown.
Uy! Ayan na naman!
Look!
Hey, maybe we can run and catch her. Popo, Yum, let's go.
Okay.
Do it,
Yeah,
guys.
right behind you.
Take care. Be careful.
I wish our painting gets fixed. Sana bumalik ang kulay natin.
I wish we can practice our musical again. Sana sumaya na tayo ulit.
Sana hindi na malungkot o galit ang engkantada.
Look, it's glowing.
Come back, Popo.
Si Popo talaga. Parating nagpapatawa. But we're glad you're back.
Hindi namin mahabol si Encantada.
Ang bilis niya.
Well, we can all wish together, right?
Tama. Baka mas mabilis ang pagbalik ng mga kulay sa Jollytown.
Yeah.
Here's my wish. I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be. Will you join me?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be.
Come on, kids! Louder!
Sige, lakasan pa natin.
At kayo rin, mga bata. Sali din kayo, ha?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be.
Look at all those colorful musical notes.
I think the well wants us to sing.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
The wishing well knows best and has always helped us. I can read those musical notes. I can take the lead.
Cool.
I think that will work, Twirly.
I think if we all work together, we can save Jollytown and make it the happiest place it be.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. What are we waiting for? Let's do it.
Woo! Is everybody ready?
Ready.
I'll start and you follow my lead. Okay? Kids, join us.
Pag nabubugnot, buhay ay nagdidilim. At pag nalulungkot, parang laging takip silim. Nasa na ang lagkilang mo at bughaw na alapaap. Magsaya at unti-unting babalik ang kulay ng bulaklak.
I think it's working, Twirly.
Yes, it is. Come on, all together now.
Kay sarap, ngumiti lahat ay
colors are slowly coming back.
Mahilig din tayo sumayaw sa Jollytown. Baka bumilis ang pagbalik ng kulay kapag sumayaw din tayo.
Great idea! I'll help! I'll lead the dance!
Cool.
Yeah, go for it, Hattie.
Here we go.
When you're down and blue, the sunny skies seem to turn gray. But there's one thing I hold true. There's always a better way. Can you see
A golden sun coming into view.
for you and me?
Our happy colors
In a beautiful rainbow too. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn it brown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful job. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn it brown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful, jolly town.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay! Yay! Jollytown is in full color again!
Hooray! We did it, kids! Yoo-hoo!
Great, you guys.
Nasaan na yung kantada? What do we do with her?
You're right, Karina. We have to make sure she doesn't turn Jollytown black and white again.
Yeah, that's right.
I know. What if we invite her to play sports?
Naku, ayaw niya maglaro.
Why not?
Maybe we can try talking to her first.
Mahirap kausapin ang engkantada. Hindi siya nakikinig.
I could try to invent something. Maybe something to change her heart.
Baka yun ang kailangan natin.
I may need some of this for my special invention.
Wonder what it is.
Ooh.
Yum, do you need help?
Yeah, let's go to my lab. Popo, we may need your help too.
Sure thing. Say no more.
Best of luck, you guys! See you later!
Bye, kids.
See ya.
Bye!
Bye. Oh.
Hey!
Come on, hey, look, it's coming back.
Yeah, it's coming back.
Whoa, yeah.
All right.
Wow, that song and dance really works.
Oo nga, kasi kapag kumakanta at sumasayaw tayo, parating masaya.
That's right. Okay, Yum, what's your plan?
Well, we need to use some of this magic from the well.
Uh-huh.
Ayan. Lagay lang natin to. Yan.
Oh, para saan?
Kailangan magbago ang engkantada.
Tama. She needs to have a change of heart.
Change of heart?
That's the only way we'll be sure that Jollytown will be safe and will remain in full color.
Bakit kaya siya galit na galit sa mga kulay?
Yeah.
Di ko alam. Baka nasanay na siya sa madilim at malungkot na buhay.
At wala din siyang kaibigan.
Oh, oo nga. Kawawa naman ang engkantada. She must be really lonely, huh?
Huh.
I wish you would let us be her friends.
What can we invent that will make her change?
I think she needs to learn how to be happy.
Yep. She also needs to learn how to make new friends.
How can we teach her how to be a jolly friend?
You see, if only we can share some of Jollytown's magic.
Magic?
I think you're both right. She needs to see herself as a jolly friend.
That's right.
Ooh.
And 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance! Yay! That's right! Good job! Hey, look! They're back! Hi!
We're back.
Any luck, guys?
Look what we got.
What's that, Yum?
It's a magic mirror to help change Encantada's heart.
But that's no ordinary magic mirror. Yum used some of the magic pixie dust from the well.
Yep. I sure hope it works.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Hey! Now it's time for you.
Ang engkantada!
Oh no!
Yeah.
Jollytown might lose its colors again!
Bakit bumalik ang kulay ng Jollytown? Nabago ko na ang Jollytown, di ba? Nawala na kayo ng kulay, tawa at saya. Di ba? Di ba?
Karina!
Hey.
Wait! Wait! Dito sa Jolly Town, lahat kami magkakaibigan at nagtutulungan. So, palaging masaya at makulay.
Tama. Jollytown will always be the happiest place.
That's right.
Yan ang akala ninyo. I'll never be happy. I don't want to be happy.
Why not?
Oh no! Baka wala na naman ang kulay natin.
Never again.
I don't think so.
Come on, everyone. Let's show her what Jollytown is all about.
That's right, Jollibee. Kaya kids, sali kayo ha.
Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart.
Stop it! Stop that! Stop singing and dancing!
Hey, come on,
I
Popo.
don't want to be happy!
Keep dancing.
Do it, Yum.
Singing.
Come on!
What is happening to me?
Yes, it's working. There we go.
Hey, look at me! I'm dancing!
Yes, you are. How do you feel?
I don't know. I feel... kakaiba to. I've never felt this before.
You're right.
Is this how it feels to be happy?
That's it.
Of course you're happy. You're in Jollytown.
Yeah.
Wow, hindi ko inakalang masaya palang sumayaw at kumanta.
Mas lalong masaya kapag may kaibigan kang kasama. And you're in the perfect, happiest place. If you're in Jollytown.
Right.
Hey, here's another song for you.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Buksan ang mga mata. Nakakita ka na ba ng mundong makulay at masaya tulad ng Jollytown?
Taste the fountain of many flavors.
Touch the rainbow's magic colors.
That never fade but stay forever, only in Jollytown.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Make a wish in the wishing well.
There are amazing stories to tell.
That no other place can parallel the joy of Jollytown.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jollytown is the happiest place to be.
Dreams come true,
Jollytown,
no mistakes blue.
Jollytown.
I'll see you at Jollytown.
Jollytown is Hanggang sa lumubog ang araw sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
I like it.
Ang galing mo mag-storytell, Karina.
Yeah.
Ang sarap-sarap pala ng makulay at masaya na buhay, no? Masaya kami na masaya ka na rin ngayon. Dahil sa inyong lahat, natuklasan ko kung paano maging masaya. Nung nasa Sunrisa kasi ako, wala akong kaibigan at kalaro.
Kaya dito ka na lang sa Jollytown. Marami kang kaibigan dito.
Nakakahiya naman sa inyo. Ngayon ngang nakita ko si Billy, naalala ko yung buhay ko noon. Pero marami na rin ako natutunan dito sa Jollytown. Kaya pwede na yata akong bumalik.
Talaga? But we'll miss you.
I miss all of you too. Pero I actually miss my dragon.
Yung mahilig sa mansanas?
Tama. Siya nga yung dragon ko. Kailangan ko nga mag-sorry sa kanya eh. Kasi, alam niyo ba dati, tinry talaga niya makipagkaibigan sa akin, pero sungit-sungit ko pa noon. Pero ngayon,
I'm sure he'll understand.
pwede ko na siyang turuang sumayaw at kumanta.
Right.
And now that you're happy, you can spread the same happiness and joy to others around you.
Oo nga, tama. Salamat sa inyo ha, Jollibee, Coco, Hetty, Turley, Yum, Karina, CJ, and all my friends here in Jollytown. Dahil sa inyo, marami akong natutunan. Friendship, acceptance, singing, dancing, and of course, having a lot of fun.
At kapag masaya ka, kahit nasan ka man, parang nasa Jollytown ka.
I'll remember that. Okay, I have to go.
So soon?
I'm gonna change my world na rin. Gusto ko, kasing kulay at saya dito sa Jollytown. Bye, kids!
Alright, bye.
Miss you!
Miss you.
Happy now.
Bye.
Oh. Whoa.
She's gone.
Just like that. Whoa.
Wow, that's a good spot right there.
Get away.
Have you seen a world as fun and colorful?
Yeah.
A world with lots of rainbows, colorful trees, fountain of many flavors, and goodies all around.
You said it.
And like you always say, what makes Jollytown the best are our adventures, stories, and all of our friends and neighbors.
That's right.
It would be very sad to lose all of this. I can't imagine a world without all of you.
Not a chance.
Or a world without colors.
You don't have to worry about that now.
Yeah.
Oo nga. Kumusta na kaya ang ating kaibigan na engkantada?
Kumustahin natin siya?
Yes, let's see how she is.
Check it out.
May isang kaharian sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
I like that story better.
Sa tuktok ng isang bundok, may nakatirang napakasaya at napakagandang engkantada. Yes! Marami siyang kaibigan. Mahilig siyang kumanta, sumayaw, at makipagkwentuhan. Napakakulay at napakasaya ng kanyang mundo.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Hey, wow!
Ooh, it's her!